Alright, so we're gonna do most of this by ourselves. Couple problems I wanna help you with. You guys, let's put your phones up, please. Alright, so y'all say the back's easy. Let's flip over on the back, see if there's anything on the back I need to help you with. 1 and 2 are easy. I think we need to do number 3 on the back. You guys are still missing this one yesterday.
Number 3?
Yeah, let's do 3.
Yeah, those were hard.
Alright, so everybody's looking at number 3 on the back. Alright, you gotta look at the problem, look at the equation. Is this a growth or a decay?
Growth.
How do we know it's growth?
Is it literally $1? It gained 35.
Okay, it's more than $1.
$10.
So you're gonna write growth. Now, how much more than $1 is it? How much has it grown?
35.
Well, it's grown by 0.035, and if you move your decimal over twice, 3.5%. All right, that's what I gotta have on number 3. You gotta say growth or decay, and then by how much it's grown or decayed. All right, so you started at $1. It's grown by 0.035, then I move my decimal twice. All right, so that's 3. I think I probably need to show number 4, and then we'll do some on the front. Everybody good on 3? All right, look at number 4. Quickly scan over number 4. Is it growth or decay? It's growth. How do we know? Because it's money in the bank. Anytime it's talking about money in the bank, it's got to be the growth formula. So, growth formula is at the top. All right, but this one is one of these problems where it says you have 24,500 at the end of 10 years. Where does 24,500 go?
Before equal.
Yeah, on the left side of the equal sign. 24,500. We don't know the starting amount, so we'll leave A. What goes in for R? What's the rate?
35.035.
Good, 3.5%. Adam says move the decimal point back twice, 0.035. And how many years does it say? 10. All right, so this is one where you got a number on the left side. Does anybody remember the first thing we have to do?
Do the parentheses.
Yep, do the parentheses first. So we got to figure out what that's going to be. Plug it in your calculator, make it a number. And I think yesterday we went to 3 numbers after the decimal, right? Let's do that.
$1.410.
Well, let's see, I got 1.41. I'm going to say 1.411. Y'all okay? I round that
Oh,
up
I see 5.
because the 5 is after.
Oh, I see it.
Now, if you don't round it up, we'll be close enough. I shouldn't mark it wrong. All right, so what was the last step?
Divide.
Divide. So let's divide 24,500 divided by 1.411. All right, I got 17,363 and 57 cents. All right, check behind me.
I can't see.
All right, so number 6 is just like number 4, so y'all shouldn't need any help on that. All right, so we're good on the back now. You guys can finish the back by yourself. All right, flip it over on the front. Some of y'all had some questions about some of these on the front. Look at 1 through 8 on the front. 1 through 8 on the front. What are you supposed to add to every problem that doesn't have an equal sign?
X.
Equals X. All right, don't forget that. I think we need to do number 7 on the front. Y'all had trouble yesterday on the one that had a decimal. So let's do 7. We got log base 4.0625 equals X. All right, everybody set number 7 up as an exponent problem. All Alright, so we should have 4 to the x power equals 0.0625. Alright, now turn your decimal into a fraction by punching it in your calculator. 0.0625. What'd y'all get for a fraction? 1/16. So I'm just gonna erase this and replace it with 1/16. Alright, you should be able to finish it. Go from there. We did a couple on that side, now we're on the front, we're on number 7. I wanna make sure you know how to do that with Scott Decimal. I'll do 3 or 4 on the front for you, and then I'll let y'all finish them up. Alright, so this is what our quiz is gonna look like Tuesday. We're gonna have some of the growth and decay problems on the quiz too. You guys say they're easy?
Yeah.
Alright, so 16, replace that with 4 squared, right? Because we gotta make them the same number. What's gonna happen with 4 squared when I move it up? Be a negative, so my answer is -2. Alright, do we need to do one like number 3 or number 4 that's got a fraction, or y'all good on that? Y'all good? Alright, let's look at the bottom. Let's do some of the ones that have square roots. So let's do 13 and 14 first. Alright, you guys try to set 13 up, see if you can remember how to do it. Alright, so we got 5 to the x equals square root of 5. Now, who can remember how to change that square root of 5 into a 5 with some exponent? What's it going to change into? Y'all remember?
1/2.
Yeah, that's an understood 1, that's an understood 2, so it's 1/2. So that makes your answer just x to the 1/2.
Wait.
Alright, go ahead. See if you got a question now.
I have it written down yet. You're going a little too fast, sir.
Which one?
Number 3.
Sir, you're going a little too
I
fast.
heard you, buddy. I'll slow down. Alright, so everybody copy 13, I'll try 14 next. Alright, we can go to 14 now. Alright, everybody try 14. Set it up as an exponent problem.
Never mind, I got number 3.
Sorry. I might need to show one of those anyway. Yep. Alright, let's see if you set 14 up correctly. We got a to the 1/5 equals 5th root of 8. Alright, so on this type problem, you've got to get the a by itself so we can find an answer. We've got to make that 1/5 cancel out. How do we do that? Do the reciprocal, remember? So if it's 1/5, you flip it to 5/1. Now we would normally have to type this in our calculator, but if the exponent and the root are the same number, they just cancel out, so that one's an 8.
You're going a little too fast.
I'm going to slow down and wait on you guys. So the answer is just 8. The 5th root canceled out the 5th power. You just write 8 for your answer. Alright, so the last one I'm going to help you guys with, unless y'all want to see some more, I think we need to do number 11. Y'all have had trouble with problems like number 11? So you guys go ahead and set up 11. See if you can work it out. We'll see if y'all get stuck on this one again today. You got 14 copied out? Okay. so I'm gonna set 11 up. I got 1/6 to the 8 power equals 2/16. All right, now make them the same base. I'll give you a second. You gotta make the left side and the right side have the same base. See if y'all remember how to do this. All right, so 2/16 has got to be 6 to some power. Has anybody figured that out for us? 6 to the third. Everybody good on that? All right, this is where some of y'all are getting stuck every day. What happens with 6 to the first when I move it up to the top? It becomes a negative, but y'all just seem to forget about the 6 to the first. So move it up, it'll be 6 to the negative 1/8. All right, now mark out your sixes. What's our answer gonna be? All right, go ahead, bud.
Sorry,
Don't wait on you.
You're still going a little too, you keep just going faster.
It's all right, we'll get it. You know I'm gonna wait on you.
It just goes a little faster than last time.
All right, so if you guys don't have another problem you want me to show you on the front, I'm gonna let y'all work. I'm gonna make an answer key right here.
Sometimes I have a hard time catching up, sir.
It's all right. All right, y'all get this finished, let's hand it in.
Is
Put it in the
it,
blue chair.
do we have something else to do after this one?
Hmm?
Or doing something else after this?
Yeah, because y'all be finished with this. Hang on just a second. okay?
Wait, what were we saying, sir? No, wait, we will be finished with this win?
You should be finished with it pretty quick.
No, it's just gonna take us a while.
So if we gotta practice, say it's 3/4. If you wanna make that a decimal, get the math button. Decimal number 2. I think it's 0.06. Yeah, you got 0.625. You copy it wrong. Give me your money then. All right, okay, just check. We'll just worry about you when you're not here. Yeah.
See how they treat me? That's why I was
That's why you don't come.
That's
Why you don't come.
Where's your money?
Tuesday.
That was a joke.
Trey, what you got me now?
Okay, I can't figure out number 2.
Number 1?
How the heck did you get that?
One is easy.
That population.
I just joking, don't mind me. I figured it out.
How you gonna set it up? Seventeen to the third power. Remember that number on the right side of the equal sign always becomes the exponent. Alright, now that's the easiest type. Yeah, so we got x by itself. So you just gotta type it.
You said 5 to 3, I'm getting.
Kevin, what'd you get on number 10? Yep. Hey guys, make sure y'all set every problem up first before you work it out. Turning this in, I wanna see every problem set up.
Okay, so 21.
Alright, so I got 8, 6, 1, 4, 2, 3, 6. I'm gonna read a reciprocal cable. I'm gonna type in root 6 to 4. I got 36.
No, really?
Bring it up and look at it.
Cause there's, one after, there's a little after,
Yeah, and you know, you don't really have to do that part. All you gotta do on this, you can, and
well, then I got
times one is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, that's really root 6 to the second power. Oh, okay, no, never mind, it's just 6 to the second power. How'd you get 1 8? You did 4 times 2 is 9.
What would you get?
Oh, I did one, that's where I missed.
But look, on this one, I typed it in like that. I just left the root 6 to the 4th instead. Oh, you got a question? Alright, we're back to this one. That's my start. Number 9, alright, so the first thing we're gonna do on number 9.
I know how to set it up, but I don't know what.
Alright, let me write it down. X squared equals 169. Now we gotta get the X by itself, Cole, so I gotta make that 2 cancel out. This one I gotta times by itself. 1 half, so I gotta do that, 1 half, plug in the calculator and that. Alright, try it out and see what you get and we'll do another. So if you got a question, ask me while I'm sitting there. I got 13, alright, so number 10. Alright, 10 is supposed to be an even type, and I set it up, I got 17 to the third power of X, right? If X is already by itself, then you just gotta type in 17 to the third, you don't have to do anything else. So that's the easiest type on, when you know, 11 on the board. You got 12 there.
I ain't said I was gonna fail.
Let me see it. Alex, you got a question while I'm sitting here? Good. So now, this is the problem. You gotta make the 3 cancel out.
See, y'all
You gotta get
Here, I'll do
the
21
5.
for you, don't.
So how do you make 3 over 1 cancel out? Do it reciprocal. 1/3 there, 1/3 there. So we gotta type in 5 12 to the 1/3 power.
Alright, yeah, and what you get?
Now, I did 13, 14, 40, set 15, 16. Christian, what you got on 15?
Whatever, 625.
What'd you get on Tuesday?
I got 1/625. Bring it over. If you don't have that, I'll look at it.
Where did you get on 8?
8, I hadn't done that yet. We do it real quick. 25
I
to.
got
Yeah,
1
over
over
729.
729.
15,
15, I got 1/625.
Okay.
16, I got 1/729. You good on those two? Alright, tell me if you get stuck. Alright, Heather, what you get on 8?
Hold on, I think I figured it out. Hold on.
Cool, which one you on? We'll check it. Alright,
Did you get 2
21.
over 3?
I just did that one for. Alright, you ready? It's gonna be 8 to the 1/4 equals root 6. Alright, can you set it up? You can do it that way, but you don't have to change that. Just leave it root 6 for me. I'll show you why.
Did you get 2 over 3 for 8?
I got 3/2. Did I mess up? Christian, what you got on 8?
No, it's 3 over 2. I mixed it up.
Alright, so now, well, you know you got your 8 to the 1/4. We gotta make that 1/4 cancel out and do the reciprocal, which is just 4 over 1. All I did on the other side, I just typed in root 6, 4th power, and became the answer. So you don't really have to make that one 1/2 if you don't want to. It's actually easier on that one. Will, you good? Which one, Macau?
22,
Let me do it real quick.
I don't know how to do it.
Root 7 to the 4th equals X.
Or not 22, 21, my bad. You get 36 on
let me do 21 real quick.
36 on 21.
Alright, so Kyle got a to the 1/4 equals root 6. Is that how you set it up?
Yep.
Alright, so we gotta get the a by itself, so you gotta make that 1/4 cancel out. So I'm gonna do a 4 over 1 on the left side and the right side. So what I typed in my calculator, I typed in root 6 to the 4th power, and that gave me the answer.
You said root 6 to the 4th power. Coach,
Ma'am?
on 21, you said root 6 to the 4th power.
Yep, that's what I typed in, it gave me 36. Alright, you said be 5 on the back. Alright, so the number of mosquitoes is triple. And it says triple.
Don't you,
3 in the parentheses. You don't have to do the 1 plus.
don't you times 1/2 times 4 over 1 and that gives you 2 and you get 6 to the second, 36?
Type it in.
Right here. You got 1/4 over here, you flip it, make it 4 over 1, then don't you times it by 1/2 and 4 over 1?
Yeah, or you can just type in root 6.
I ain't doing all, that's too confusing.
You just sent it to the viewer. Look, type in root 6,
Yeah.
and then the next one as 4 over 1. Your answer.
Yeah, that's stupid. I'm gonna wait.
Alright, good luck then. There's my starting amount, 125,000.
I ain't.
Triple it, because it's 4 years. And that's not true. I got my-
32, that's giving us a hard problem.
So 21.
Not 32, 24 then.
I got 36 on 21.
They do it different.
What about 24?
24, let me do it real quick. 22. Adam, I got
Dang,
22.
Michaela.
Look
You done it all? You
Hey,
done it all?
Ross, you get a decimal.
Probably was doing what I was talking. I was sleeping. Have my head
So
down.
22, you just do root 7.
Huh?
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
12, I got 8.
Change your password.
Here's what I
I
did.
can't. I've literally tried everything. I've contacted Snapchat. They won't send me a code to my phone number. I don't
This
know
is
email
the
that
third,
sends
so
me
now
money. I
just do
can't
the one
change
password over
passwords
there.
to that. So like I'm locked out on it.
This? Yeah.
How'd you log yourself out?
I don't know.
So you know, that's the
Everything for the past
question,
4
good?
years is gone.
Would 22 be 49?
At least it's only 4 years.
Yeah, I got 22.
I'd rather
I
have
got
them
49
back
on
than my
that.
middle school.
What'd y'all get on 23?
You gotta tell me.
Somebody stole my paper. I don't know.
Okay, I have a question.
Haley got it?
I have a question. Okay, so, you can ask me.
Go ahead.
Well, I mean, I can't.
Bring it to them, okay. I ain't done them all yet, but I got most of them done.
I'm not even doing that side yet.
Okay.
I never learned this.
All right, which one?
I didn't do that.
All of them, I learned.
All right, let's do
No,
this.
but
Entrance is
actually,
back.
let me ask you this. Why do these numbers go with my Y, and why would this one not go with my Y? This
Well,
was-
hey, that's
Okay,
gotcha
gotcha.
anyway.
Easy, that's easy answer. When it says the word, it's your ending amount, the ending amount goes where the Y is. A stays where the Y is.
Send me a picture of your back.
You just wrote it
Adam can tell you that.
That's the.
I forgot. I just.
It's
do
still
it.
3.5% growth.
Yeah, that's obviously. I tell you that. I thought you were talking
Let me look at it. I don't have a paper.
Sounds right, give me a second.
I might not did it. Oh, I ain't did it. You like wrote it down. Yeah, I ain't did it. Just make it a paper.
Maybe you should say that one more time.
Yeah, maybe you should say it. What'd you go with number 5? I already have a paper. Paper's right there.
500 divided by.
Not in my hand, Haley.
All right, what'd you get?
I need 24.
I rounded mine, I got it a little different, but it's okay, we're close enough, we're good. 5285 is what I got. This is what I said. I divided by 1.419, I think you divided by 1.4. Okay. Close
X
enough.
equals
Close enough.
1.
I'm not gonna mark that wrong.
X equals
I
1.
got a number here for you.
Is that what you got?
You back.
No, I didn't do it. I don't know how to do it.
Oh, you
Should we go to the bathroom, sir?
X equals 5.
Let's finish,
20.
let's go to 5 minutes out. Anybody need some help? I don't have them all done, but I got enough I can check the word problem. Alright, that's 201. Gotta do
bit.
Yeah, I'll have to add it.
Is that it? Anybody else got a question here? While I sit back down?
You can attach it, man.
I don't have them all done. Let me check what I got.
Yeah, Dan, you said you got.
Taylor, you
big
good?
numbers?
I got one number. It's like 1,012,500.
Yep, something like that.
That's what I got.
10 million. What I got.
Million.
I think you left off a zero. No, it's right. I got the same thing.
Yeah, I got 10 million.
The second house.
Where is that?
Number five,
Let's see.
on the back.
Alright, you set it up right.